3EX all-in-one AI trading platform. Create strategy based on template tutorial. Visit the 3EX homepage and click AI Trade. Click AI strategy creation based on template. Choose the appropriate template. Wait for the strategy code to be generated. Review the simulated profit and loss configuration and results. Reply create live strategy. Enter the strategy name, trading currency, and trading candlestick period. Attention, the trading currency must be supported by 3EX contracts. Each strategy supports only one currency. Click AI copy trading. Click strategies. Find the strategy you just created and click start strategy. Enter the leverage and amount. Under advanced settings, enter the take profit ratio and stop loss ratio. To place order, click trade. Here, you are running the strategy you just created. This concludes the create strategy based on template with 3EX.